Hello, what is up everyone? My name is Chris and I'm going to be talking about this screwdriver set that I got. It's mostly for electronics, considering the size of, oops, my bad, not that, the screws. But it could do anything even larger. I just wouldn't recommend it. But I couldn't find anything else to show you later on, so that's why this is a little bit interesting. Basically, a screwdriver, what it's used for, if anyone doesn't know already, it's for taking these screws and gripping them without needing to use your hands. What it's made out of. It's made out of these aluminum stick that goes all the way here, but it's covered with this plastic grip sort of item, and at the end it has a plastic tip, which you could totally tell it's plastic. Which brings me to my next segment, how to open it up. So to open it up, there's actually this sort of latch that you just push against each other. The black part you push downwards and the white part you push upwards. I'm just having a hard time because it's with one hand, so let me do it this way. And there you go, opened it up. Now, to talk about how it feels. This you could pretty much tell is some sort of cheap metal, I'm guessing aluminum. It's not too sturdy, it bends a little. This feel right here, this is a really good feel. Considering the fact that it's plastic, this right here almost feels close to rubber-ish, a little bit. This is totally plastic. And then this you could totally tell it's plastic just by the feel. Like, it's not really the best quality either. You would want to use this anywhere where you just need screws. And like I said, this is mostly built around electronics. So if you're trying to repair an iPhone or a tablet and you want to get inside, this is what you would most likely use. The item smells like plastic pretty much. There's not really too much to talk about there. I've had it for 3 months about, and I've used it to try to repair my iPhone a couple of times. I don't know if it was because of the screwdriver or just my lack of knowledge, but definitely did not get that iPhone working back. If anyone was interested. One thing I like about this tool set is it's so tiny. This could fit in your pocket, literally. This fits in your pocket. And sure, it takes a lot of your space up, but it does fit in your pocket. That's one thing. It's very scalable. Now, I'm gonna just show you how well it actually performs. I took the biggest one because this screwdriver is way too small for the actual screw. I know, it's just whatever I could find. So the way to screw this, the best way is with one hand. That is to take your index finger, I think what it's called, and then just press it along the metal tip, and then where the grip is, just start turning counterclockwise to get it up. And usually you won't have this problem, but you should press on it because you really won't get to see your progress. It's kind of loose already, and it's already getting loose enough to the point where you could just pick it up. Yeah, I'm sorry I used a bad screw, but there you go. Pick it out, and now just to showcase how to put it back in, you'd want to go clockwise. This should be a little bit easier because now that you're pressing down, it would make it would make more sense. The screwdriver, it's really nice. I would say it makes you faster. I'm just naturally really slow when it comes to handiwork like this, so I'm not really a good reference point, but I would say it does make you a little bit faster. It's quite soft for a screwdriver. A lot of the screwdrivers that are the more quality ones, this is a little bit on the cheaper side, so it's more affordable for everyone. This feels very soft but yet rugged at the same time for what you're getting. I would recommend this as a great gift or stocking stuffer to anyone. Or if it's not Christmas, I would recommend this as a nice little gift for anyone who repairs electronics even in the slightest, or just works with really small screws. Mostly with electronics, I would say. Alright, well that was this was a screwdriver kit. Thank you everyone for looking at it, and I hope I gave you a good insight. Have a nice day.